Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, how is everyone doing today on this Chill Out Friday? First of all, let me start off by saying to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. It's Chill Out Friday, guys. Let's take some deep breaths in. Come on. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's go. Oh, that feels so good. I feel so much better. Let's get into this video. Okay, so today, let's put our gloves on. We are going to make organic body wash, okay? Nice Friday treat for you. I think so. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Let me give you the quote of the day. Prove them wrong. That's the quote of today. Prove them wrong. Look at this beautiful bottle I have here. Okay, so let me give you the ingredients right off the bat. We are going to use 1 3/4 cups of unscented Castile soap. Castile soap, sponsor me. Okay, Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. 1 cup and 3/4 cups of unscented Castile soap. We are going to use also 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and we also have rosemary essential oil as well. We also going to use chamomile flower, and lavender buds. Okay, so let's begin. You see, we have our jar. So I have a funnel because I'm not going to play around. I'm not going to add the oil I'm not going to add any of the essential oils or the unscented Castile soap. Let's get our herbs in first, okay? So we're going to get them in there and just shake them down. That would be the best bet for me. Come on. Okay, I guess that didn't work out. So let's see. Let me stop and get a piece of paper. Okay, so I'm back and I want to show you something. I was having difficulty getting my chamomile flowers and my lavender buds inside of this bottle. And it came to me to go get my trusty chopstick, of course. And once I got my chopstick, I was able to, as you can see, press down into it. And it goes down with no problem. See that? So there's always more than one way to skin a cat. Right, guys? Let's use the rest so you can see. And then I'm just pushing it down in there. You see that? Getting it all down in there. Thanks to my trusty chopstick. Get all this goodness in there before we put our unscented Castile soap in, okay? And what are we making today? We're making organic body wash. Safe enough to use on a baby. That's how nice and gentle this is going to be. Okay. Almost finished. Almost got it all in there. Looking at the top. Let's clean up. I don't want to waste any of that goodness. We want it inside of our bottle. There you go. All in. All in. Great. Got it in the sink. Okay, so now we have our lavender and my chamomile in here. Now we can pour in get our funnel back, 1 3/4 cups of unscented Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Okay, so here we go. This is the 1 cup. Just pour it in. There you go. Get it all in there. We want all that goodness. Okay, and this is our 3/4 a cup. Let's get this in. There you go. Wow, look at that. All right. Let that drip in. And in the meantime, between time, let's get our essential oils ready. So they said 3 drops. I have 3 drops each of rosemary and lavender essential oil. Let's take our funnel out. You use a dropper. Make sure you have 2. You cannot cross-contaminate your essential oils. Please, if you're using different oils, make sure you have droplets for each essential oil that you use, okay? So 3 drops. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to do 6. 4, 5, 6. Leave it at that. It's up to you, your preference. Okay, so that was lavender. That's my lavender oil. And here's my rosemary. Same thing. I'm going to do 6 drops of the rosemary. Let me get my dropper together here. Seems like it's wanna come off. There you go. Okay, let's get our 6 drops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do a little bit more. We all love our rosemary. And that's it. Okay, make sure you close up. You don't want anything to happen to your oils. You're going to shake this well. Shake this bottle well. And let me say this. This is good for use within 6 months. Okay? You're going to use this in 6 months. So every time, look at that. Every time you want to use your body wash, just shake it, just like I did. Because once this settles, it might break up. So just shake it up every day. You see that? Look how beautiful that is. And double the recipe if you like. I can double this and fill this whole bottle up if I choose to. Okay? DIY organic body wash with recipe. Don't worry about writing it down, and will be in description below, okay? We'll be right back. Look what we did today. Isn't that wonderful? And like I said, double, triple the recipe if you like. DIY organic body wash. Quote of the day, prove them wrong. You don't have to prove anything to anybody but yourself. Love you. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Okay? I hope everyone is having a great day. Be safe out there. And as always, mwah, Glennceria Loving Hands, love you always. Have a wonderful day. We did it. Enjoy it. Enjoy your body wash and share this, okay? Make sure you hit the notification bell. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye for now.